everyone, welcome to our first episode of how to make your own Car Crash Revolution game. We are going to show you how to play the game and then we'll explain the code. It's like this.
Explain what you're doing?
Well, yeah, sure. It's like so you move your mouse, you go along, and then as you can realize, when you get hit, there's some sort of ghost impact that will explain later. And as you can also see very clearly, the mouse is following.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, you're supposed to overtake the cars as they go, right? And the cars are coming down. What about the hit?
Well, you need to try to keep the hit to minimum.
Right, let's go down to the 50-second limit. Right, so the person with the lowest number of hits, do they win or not?
Win!
Alright, and that's time's up. End of game. You got 9 hits. Alright. Now let's go into the details of the coding. Okay. Now, we talked about the rules of the game, and maybe we go into the backdrop. Now, what was striking about this backdrop was that it seems as if the car is really moving, right? But you know that the car is actually stationary.
Oh yeah, duh.
Yeah, isn't it?
So to make the sprite move, you need to make the clone like that, and then see like this.
Yeah, and you just need to make a few of these, including the trees.
And we made about 1, 2, 3, 4. Is there any more? Okay, no more. And there's also a tree, remember?
Yeah. How do you make it come down then? Maybe we can go through.
Well, of course we use this one, and then we made the when I set as a clone height, go x minus 85 and then y 300. So repeat until y position equals 3 minus 390. Change y by minus 10. Well, of course it's all obvious.
Okay. Now, so the idea is that this one, each of them has a different position, and it will, when y becomes goes to below the screen, and how we do that is to change y by 10 each time. So you can imagine that if you want it to go faster, you could change this to 20, for example. What happens? Let's try.
It goes faster?
Oh, it goes faster. The car seems to move faster, right? But okay, let's try to keep to 10 because the rest of the lines are 10. We don't want this line to move faster by itself. It will be strange. Okay, so the rest of the ideas are the rest of the cars are actually similar then, right? Okay, let's stop it. Now the rest of the cars, the idea is similar. For example, let's look at the black car, right? So what we want the car to do, the black car to do here is what?
Well, basically what all the other cars are doing. Oh, and just in case you didn't realize, I just found out that I coded it to be a little bit faster, as you can see here, right?
The black car will travel
a little bit faster, yeah. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you, the green car can also, as you know, be a little bit slanted. See?
How do we do that?
Well, we didn't only change the y position, but we also changed the x position. And well, then it goes like this.
Yes, so by changing the X position, I think what we try to do here is that if X position is more than 0, if this car, because we already asked them to pick a random position, right, between minus 250 to 250. Now, if this green car is randomly chosen to start from here, then actually it should change the X position by minus 5 so that it moves here. But if it starts from here, then it must plus 5 so that it comes here. Otherwise, you just move out of the screen, right? So this is just some changes that we made to make the game more interesting. Now, have we covered everything? I think we have covered everything in this very quick session. Oh yes,
No.
one more. Yep, go ahead.
Yep, one more thing that he forgot to tell you, and I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so don't bother about this right now, cause it's, well, you know, just something that I'm working on. Okay, so as you can guess, this is for, you know, making when the mouse moves, the car moves, and that's for that. So as you know, we've covered almost everything except for the car now. So you're gonna
Oh yeah,
so
this is the more important part, right? If you don't
yeah,
get this right.
yeah, I can't
Yeah.
believe you even forgot to explain this part.
Sorry. Come, let's go through
So firstly, for when so it's like so at first the damage is, you know, none, and then first you explain what the game is, though you're not supposed to say it in the game. Why do you make it like that? Okay, and that is, well, very good. So you first put your if, and then you're touching Orica, change it by once. And once in another game, do you know what I did? I said, so for example, if it's like 100, then whoa!
Oh, so you better not hit the orange car.
Yeah.
Okay.
So most effectively, it's the same. And the ghost effect is it's like, well, it looks like it disappears. Not my idea anyway. Though it might be very good.
Yeah, it just shows that when you hit the car, you know, it sort of blinks a little bit. Right?
And we also forgot to tell you about the horn.
Yeah, just hits. Maybe we can have another kind of sound. It could be car crash sound. Right? Okay. Now,
But we're not done with it yet, you know.
okay.
Remember, we still have and what do you make the car passing sound? It's a little bit annoying, you know.
Alright, yeah, it's really up to your personal taste.
Yeah, look at this sound. Yes.
Okay. Are we done with this?
Of course not. We still have this, and then still the timer.
Right.
Okay, so basically, this is to make. You know, I already told you to make it move. Well, and then this is the timer here. So let me explain what the timer does. So look at the timer here, okay? See 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23.
Okay, I think we get the idea. Right, it just counts down and finishes the game. How do you finish the game?
So repeat until timer equals 0. Wait 1 second, change timer to by -1. If timer equals 3, then start toy honk. Hey, but why do you really?
Yeah,
You
maybe
really
we
have
don't
to-
really need the toy. Maybe we don't really need that sound, right? But it's just really.
Yeah. How come you make so many sounds in this game? Well, put on there, and then it's like 3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
Say time's up, and then of course you stop off. Like for example, just to give this a quick demonstration, I'm gonna make this to 5. To 5 just for this fun.
Oh, that's very short. 5. Yeah. Yeah. Then it's a very short game, isn't it?
Ooh, oh,
Okay,
look,
look.
look, I make the high score.
Yeah, it's a high score. It's a 0, so it's a high score. Now let's put it back, and I think we've covered everything for today. And what we didn't cover actually is that this is, although this is mouse, we made this because you can actually play this game on your mobile phone by using your fingers. If you don't, you can use the normal way is to actually do this and use the keyboard left and right. Now this one, oops. Okay, this one will then follow the left and right keyboard, right? So you can try to use the keyboard. Ah, now it
Yeah,
goes,
like this.
yeah, you go left and right, follow the keyboard. Now it doesn't follow
Left and
the
right.
mouse anymore.
Yeah, as you can see, the mouse right here. Oh, I can't second mouse,
Alright, okay, so I think we have done most of the, gone through most of the code. Hope this has been useful. What should we say to everyone?
Well, bye-bye.
Goodbye and see you next time.